Welcome everyone, I'm Ricky from Tech Talk and this is the brand new Huawei P30 Pro, and today I want to show you how to insert your SIM card and also a dual SIM card option. Talk about the Huawei nano-memory that is available for this device as it doesn't use a standard micro SD. So first of all, before we begin, let's power our device off. If you look down the right hand side here, there is your power button and it does have a hint of red. So you press and hold, it's going to bring up Google Assistant, but then press and hold again and it should bring up the power. So there is our power and you can power off.
Here are some results from a search.
So that will power off, that's because Google Assistant was talking. If we take a look at the bottom of our device, this is where your dual tray is going to be. To take a SIM tool, there should be one provided in your box. I've just got a very generic one here. Push down, and then your tray will pop up. So use fingernails if you've got any, or just pull that tray out. So pulling that tray out, it's going to identify what's on this side. And it's going to say SIM1 this side, and then if I turn it around the other way, you're going to get NM, which means nano memory can go on that side, or you can put in a SIM card. So like I said, nano memory is available. That is from Amazon UK, and I will link in the description. There are two options. There's 128GB or 256GB. The 128GB is roughly about £53 to £55. And the 256 is about £100. So turning this back around, we're going to insert SIM1. So both of them are nano size SIM cards, and just follow the little diagram there. So both gold plates are going to be facing up towards you as well. That gives you a little hint what way they need to go. This one goes in here as well. They will sort of clip in. There are little clips there as well. Just take your time to make sure they're all secure. Pinch it together if you want to when returning back to your device. Very simple and very easy. Make sure that's pushed all the way in because it does have an IP rating. You want to make sure it does stay absolutely watertight. So power our device back on. Like I said, that nano memory is really good from Huawei, and you can go and get it if you want to. I'm waiting for an order to come through, but it seems to be taking a long time. If you do have the P30 Pro and the P30, let me know what you think down below. Are you enjoying your brand new device? And it might come up with a menu. If not, we'll have to go into menus and then look through our SIMs. But as you can see here at the top here, you've got two signal bars and you've got EE and Vodafone UK. So you've got two signals as well, so you know your signals. And obviously you're going to get text messages come through. That's what you're hearing now, just saying about your SIM card is inserted and just what is available on your plans. Both of these have got data, but the Vodafone UK one is one with minutes and text. So I can set that one to just use minutes and text, or I could set the EE just to use data. So the choices are there and you can choose which ones you want to use. So if you go into settings here, if we go into wireless and network, and then if we go into mobile network, which I'm not actually going to do because it does show my number. So if you go into mobile network, and I'm just covering this up as it has my number there, you have different options that you can choose, change and adjust inside here, depending on your options, like I said. So that makes it all possible to use your device with different networks. So if you do travel abroad quite a lot like I do, it's good to maybe have a network that is better abroad than what it is in the UK, or you could use a network for that dedicated country. If you do have any questions about this, please drop a comment down below. I'll be more than happy to help. It's just a quick little basic video on the Huawei P30 Pro, just showing you how to insert your SIM card, and this will be the same for the Huawei P30 as well. If you have any questions or queries, please drop a comment down below. As you know, I'll be more than happy to help. I do like to make these basic videos, as some people do struggle just to put in a SIM card, but that's okay, I understand that. Thanks always for watching. Please give the video a like, and if you're new to Tech Talk, hit the subscribe button to stay updated with all of my latest videos, and ring that notification bell and you'll be updated even sooner. From me, Ricky, I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.